this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the fingerprint unlock on your Motorola phone. So we can just swipe on down from the top right and go to settings. Going down on here until we get to where it says security and privacy. And this could be under a different area like biometrics and password, or maybe even lock screen. But we can go on down to device unlock type, and we can see our fingerprints. And we can just go in here and we can delete it. And we can go back and we go to the screen lock type, and we can just set this to swipe or none. And that should remove your fingerprint from here too, so you don't need that to unlock it anymore. But just going to here, here's the options for fingerprint or even face unlock. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.